Yeah.
It is what it is.
All right, folks, you see the 3 pigs right there?
Yeah, I see where they were bedded down up here on the East Road last night.
No white pigs this year?
No, I don't think I have any white ones out here.
All right, the hunters are coming up.
Is there one laying down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I can't see him. I don't have a shot on him. Oh, hold on. Are these guys shooting? Which way are they going? Like, I see the orange over here.
Yeah.
I'm not even have a round rack, so I ain't doing shit.
It's too easy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know it is. Let's shoot officially back. I'm gonna step back. I don't know where the hell these guys are at.
Yeah, well, I see one.
Yeah, I see the orange there.
Yeah. I think they're just slowly bringing them up to get a feel.
Oh, shit, what's around?
Yeah.
See, I'm worried about him being up there. They're firing
Yeah.
this way.
I don't think they're going to fire. I think they're going to communicate until they... Not sure how much of these kind of videos I'll really post. Just kind of hoping for a little more.
Hunt action, yeah. Usually they're usually separated pretty good. Usually 2 at a time, 2 at a pop.
Oh, he isn't. Maybe one of them isn't even come up through the woods yet.
Nah, Tony, hey Jimmy, where are you at?
Oh, he's way back there? All right, there's one orange there to the left of the pigs. That wasn't Randy, was it?
Randy?
No, Randy's over there.
Is it?
I don't know who that one is.
Is that you, Jimmy?
Oh, they're both guides.
I forget his name.
Lou
Lou
and Randy.
and Randy.
They're going to discuss, I got a feeling.
Yeah, they're right here. Where's Jimmy at?
He's on one knee down in there.
Ah. Hey, Jimmy. I got mine locked in.
Hey, Ronnie, hold this a sec.
Tell them not to be on one knee because they're right here.
Hold that a sec. No. He told me to come up to the road.
Yeah, because right here is the shot. Yeah.
I need 4 pig hunters.
Okay.
Hey, Paul. Yeah.
Come on out, bud.
And the other guy that's in there?
Yeah, Jimmy, you got to come out.
Jimmy!
He's got his ghillie suit on.
Here, go back a little bit, Jimmy, and come up to the road.
Well, you got to wear a belt.
I got all 4 pigs here.
Yo, leave my ex-wife out of this.
Well, 3 and 1's up a little further.
Leave my ex-wife out of this, okay?
Yes.
How many times we got to tell you?
They're not listening
Like
too
my
well.
kid.
Oh, this ain't bad yet.
Like you guys say, I take this here as serious as all can be. We all want to go home, and just open the ears and listen.
Where's the young guy?
Paul's coming somewhere.
He's not,
Yeah, I'm right here.
Okay, stay here, bud.
I'm looking right at us.
Right there.
hey, I'm going to just watch just in case when you shoot that one don't take off through or something. I'll just
We'll just take a hunter. There
You want
he
me?
is.
Oh, I got that.
Oh, here's the bomb.
There's one out the road.
Okay, but you can't shoot yet. Right, I gotta shoot
Randy.
these.
Can we shoot this one quick? Or not? No, hold it.
One's
I don't
coming
know.
right at
Okay.
us.
Yeah, I guess. Go ahead, Lou.
Yeah,
Wait.
Good shot, Ron. That's what we want.
Okay, you guys get ahead of this guy so you ain't shooting past each other's ears. You want to move this way just a little bit, you
The
can.
other, the third hunter, big shooter, come up here also.
Let's get that picture, guys.
Well, if you shoot it right, you put one right into the second pig.
You guys decide which one you want.
Guys, you got a nice clean shot right here.
Yeah.
See this one laying here is nose. Has he got 3 moving there?
Yeah, you got one laying down, one in the middle. They're right in a straight line right here.
I think they're.
Move down 3.
Keep going.
Hey, I don't like shooting that way. Hey,
Hey,
We don't
Paul.
want to shoot across the river.
Paul,
you gotta shoot on this
you
angle.
guys shoot at an angle. No shooting across. All the way over here, Paul.
Paul, way over here.
Yeah, drop your.
Your back drops to the other side of the island.
It's okay shooting in the dirt like one laying there.
Which one are you shooting at?
Oh, the one that's standing up,
Facing left.
facing left.
Okay.
Okay.
That one that's down. And you're gonna shoot the other one that's standing?
Oh.
Jimmy.
No, I don't have a shot. Now I lost the shot.
Yeah, they moved. Smart pigs.
Yep.
Is the one laying down facing me?
Yeah. Yeah. You can get a headshot there. You see it? See its ear coming down the side there.
Kinda, yeah. I don't see his eyes.
He's still kicking up there.
His eyes are right where that bush tree is.
That's the worst.
Well, actually,
I hate seeing that. I'd rather see a second shot put in.
it's
Yeah.
a lighter brown on the snout.
You don't look like he's really moving. Son, you could probably just walk right up to that and pop it.
Yeah, I might. I mean, maybe. If I had a clearer shot,
It's not moving. If the other ones come at you, me and Paul got him. Don't worry about that.
Right here. That's a pretty clear shot. We need to kill him so I can get these guys down.
That's a pretty good size one. You know, even little ones are good.
Locked in behind that log, so it's gonna come anywhere coming towards you. Don't worry about it.
Oh, you got the one on the left. I guess I got the one on the left. Ready?
All right, they're down.
I seen him flipping, but I didn't.
Congratulations, sir, Remington.
Thank you. I didn't see it. I didn't see it.
Get a little excited, eh?
I just put it on the white spot. Try to direct me to that spot.
Alright. See that big tree?
See about 30 big trees.
Yeah.
Go to the right a little bit.
I think he's got to figure a way in. Is it?
Yeah, no wait. It's your last one. The last
Oh, hell, there's 4.
one with the white now.
Hmm? Nope, they're over here. 4 of them.
Just wait.
Now we'll wait for everybody else to catch up.
Here, just wait. I'm not sure he goes down.
Yeah, they're stopped.
He's just standing there. Let me lay down.
Yeah, just give them a chance. One laid.
Yeah. Yes. Just wait. Yeah, the whole mouth is full of blood. When I walked to watch.
So that was the one that might have got hit.
Yeah.
Remington, way to go, dude.
Just wait.
It's
Did you have that on camera?
Yeah, it's all on. I forgot it's still going. Possibly one down, Randy.
So I hit him in the face.
Yeah, his whole face was.
Maybe
full of blood.
it deflected and you
Yeah,
hit.
it might have hit lungs and it's just spitting the blood
Yeah.
out, coming out nose, mouth.
That's a. How far away is that from over there? That's a little ways away.
That's when we're just standing there. Them other guys catch up, they
There
could
was a-
probably get some shots.
There was a black and brown
There's a
one.
black
Yeah.
and white one walking.
Yeah, I saw them all. Well, when I first saw them, it was perfect to see. It was like, but that's the way it always is.
No, I'm gonna go over there to Randy and tell them
No,
there's more.
They're
They're right here.
right here. They should be right on the trail. They were just behind me like 60 yards. There he is. Yeah, just stay here and keep an eye on him. That way he can keep track of the other hunters.
Right here.
I'm going up here to
Yeah, he went down. He stayed down.
Yeah, he's laying over here. Yeah, he's laying over here. Yeah, yeah, he's laying there. He's laying over in the back.
4 or 5 of them walking with him.
Yeah.
We got 5 on pushing ahead of.
Yeah, there's two white plates and a black and white right there. You see it? Yeah, he's right. See, across the sheet of white, all the way over.
Show me, boy. You did it. Go look at it.
Father and son team. It was Action5 that saw the Rams. Yes. All right.
Said he was down, but I don't see him yet.
Oh, they're there. They're looking right at us.
Yeah, but the one we're after, did you put him down?
Yeah, he's laying there right where them other ones are.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
Okay. Pretty big black one. Anybody else shooting one?
No, they're all the other hunters.
Take one?
No.
I didn't sign up for any.
All right, Lou, I'm just gonna bump these rams south because I gotta bump them to get there. He's standing there.
Yeah.
That white one.
Yeah.
He shot someone on this side of the tree.
Yeah, the other ones.
But I'm telling you,
He's laying there.
I see him.
Just wait for him.
Hoping he shot the right one.
Well, you know, guys, there's 4 right there. There's one here right up front by the base of the tree to the left. You see that one, Randy? He's just laying. He's really deep in the dirt.
Yeah. I knew the back.
Yeah, mine's laying right here. 20 yards in front of me.
Yeah. We just got to make sure you shot the right one.
10 yards in front of the one that we've seen over there right now.
Oh, that's the whole face is
I don't understand why they just went and laid down instead of boogied.
That's what we've heard over there that whole time.
that black one's standing there too.
That's the one I thought. He's just a red cat.
Yeah.
Hope we got the right one.
Like I said, the whole snout was.
Look at that clump of hair.
Am I looking at a different animal laying there, maybe?
I don't know.
Isn't there one right there to the left?
Find out, young man. You stay with me in case you got to shoot.
You have your safety on? You're clear of him.
All right, let's walk in.
Ram this way.
He ain't dead yet.
What's the one for?
Head up like
There,
that.
see what I mean by his face.
Yeah.
Want to get over
Ram,
here,
walk over here.
put one in behind the shoulder.
What's the one laying on the ground right to the left of us?
I'm gonna just give this.
See that one, Larry?
No.
Right
That's
here.
a bag. That white thing's a bag.
Oh, is it? Yeah, don't rush the shots. You got all the time in the world. Oh, is that all that was? A bucket. Good thing I had my eyes tested. No, they didn't go far. You can see them up there. Ah.
Yeah, they can see we're in that little cup.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a ram. Remington got a ram with his dad. Action5 saw them all. That's almost a full curl, isn't it?
75 rode on there very tightly. That's it. Oh my word.
All right, Action5 out.